Hello, we are going to learn about a Bisaya name of an animal that you really love. You might have them at home. This is iro, which is singular, referring to a dog. Ang iro kay himsog. Himsog is healthy. In English, the dog is healthy. We also have a plural, mga iro. Example, ang mga iro kay mga himsog. In English, the dogs are healthy. So, iro is dog. We also have itoy. Itoy is puppy. Cute ang itoy. The puppy is cute. And so, this is what? These are. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more Bisaya tutorial.